Hello and welcome to another limitedresources.us product demonstration video, or in this case, a creative solutions video. If you own a gas washer and dryer, you can use one of our washer coin boxes to run both of your appliances. For today's demonstration, since we don't have a washer and dryer here in the studio, I'm going to use these lights just to show the device is working. So I am just going to grab my coin and we can see that both appliances are now running. For more information about our Coinbox products, please visit us at limitedresources.us or follow the descriptions given below. Thank you very much and have a great day.